So I've been in the instant communications industry for about 6 years now, primarily focused on the push-to-talk over cellular piece. And over that period of time, we've seen these platforms evolve hugely with value-added features like lone worker protection, task management, video calling, indoor localization, and many more, which is fantastic. But what we've found throughout that time is that a number of organizations have invested in other systems like CCTV, door access control, fire alarm systems, and much more. And what we found is that those systems individually are fantastic, but actually in periods of high stress, like emergency, for example, it can be quite difficult to gather the information from the various systems and make operationally sensible decisions, ultimately, or situationally sensible decisions. So kind of following a lot of requests for integration with the kind of platforms that we did, which were the more kind of push to talk over cellular platforms, we actually thought there's an opportunity here to create something that could really benefit our customers and various organizations. So we promptly went about trying to solve that issue. Yeah, so that's the million dollar question. Our key differentiator is openness and long-term adaptability. So from day one, we've kind of set about this with a key principle being that whatever we do has to be a flexible and generic architecture that avoids kind of short-term decisions, but off the back of that means that our customers are not limited as to the future capabilities. Situations change, organizations change. Whatever we do needs to be sufficiently generic that allows us to move with those changes and adapt to those changes and actually still continue to deliver a good service and exactly what the customer is after. Yeah, I think the biggest challenge in anything like this is belief. Is this genuinely going to help our customers? Are we genuinely solving the right problems? So not to mention the belief of us, the ones that are trying to develop this product, but actually the belief of radio comms in CentraOS. Without that, you kind of the project doesn't even begin. So the biggest challenge is trying to make everyone or get everyone on the same page and actually have the same vision as we have for solving these problems, and actually believe that there are problems to solve. So, I mean, we believe that CentraOS will benefit any organization that relies on multiple operational systems, whether that's communications, whether it's CCTV, whether it's fire alarms or access control, whether it's industry-specific applications. Essentially, when those systems are brought together and the information that they deliver can be done so in a single customer-driven message, then organizations gain a stronger situational awareness in both day-to-day operations, but also key in emergency situations. So we see real potential for this technology to make a big difference, be it an airport, be it a shopping center or a stadium or a hotel. You know, having CentraOS in situ will help your teams make better, faster decisions, when it matters most.